Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm in the car since it's a little cold, but welcome back to the channel. And today I want to give a biggest shout out to Boslla, the automobile lightning pioneer. So it's those guys right here. They sent me some LEDs to test out, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw them on. Well, they send them out to put them on my F-150, but I already have LED taillights and LED license plate bulbs. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put them on my TSX. So we're gonna go ahead and put those, see, these are the T10s and they're white. So yeah, so those should fit my license plate. So we're gonna go ahead and put them on and see how they look and how bright they are and how they hold up in the long run. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how those factory ones look. See, I'll probably just put one new and check them out at night so you guys can see the difference. All right, so yeah, let's go ahead and put one on. All right guys, so for this car, it's pretty simple. All we gotta is pull all this clips out. All right guys, and there's two. You gotta pull out with a Phillips screwdriver. See, they come, see, and they just come right off. See, one in each corner. All right, and once you got this off, all you gotta do is pull this cover over this. Same thing on this side. And oh, there's another clip over here. There should be one this other side. All right, looks like that's it. Alright guys, so see, you can just pull it up and you can take it off completely. Alright guys, so once you guys get under here, so you gotta pull this little tab. See, it has one on each side and it comes right up. Let me go ahead and turn on the bulb. See, there it is. It's not, so you could barely see any light, even if you put it like in this dark area. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it with the new bulb I got. It's a Boslla, I believe. I'm not sure. Sorry if I'm pronouncing the name wrong, but you can see there it is. There's the brand, and you could go ahead and check them out on Boslla.com. You could go ahead and check them out on Boslla.com, and they have a whole bunch of different LED bulbs and tail lights, the headlights and everything. And this one, all you gotta do is just pull it out and it comes right on. And just throw the new one. See, there it is. I'll go ahead and turn it out real quick. See, there it is. Now as you can see, look at the difference. You can see how bright it is. Like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and install just one right now, and so I could show you guys at night how they compare. And then to put it back in, all you gotta do is just line it up. See, all you gotta do is line it up and push it in, and it clips right in. Alright, so I'm gonna just leave this off for now, so I could show you guys the comparison at night. So you can see the difference right now. See how bad that one is? Barely lights any up. Look at that. Alright guys, so yeah, I'll show you guys later tonight how the difference is on them, since right now you can't even really tell much. You can tell a difference when you look at them close, but not when you just look straight at the plate. Alright, so I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, so it's night. See, and you can see the difference on the LED bulb versus the stock one. You can see how much brighter it is. You can tell a big difference. So I think these bulbs are worth it. So if you want to go ahead and check them out, you know. So yeah, alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and install the other bulbs so you guys can see how it looks with bulbs in them on. So all you gotta do again is push in the clips and come right out. See, just pull it right out. Go ahead, let me grab the other bulb. Alright guys, and all you gotta do is snap it back in. And grab it with both hands, kind of. Alright guys, so there it is. So we could go ahead and just put it back in the clips. There it is. Alright guys, so there it is with both LED bulbs on. As you can see, they're pretty bright. It should even help you when you back up. Alright guys, so sorry about the lighting, but I just got done comparing the stock bulb versus the LED bulb, and as you can see, it's a big difference. So you go ahead and check out their website, Boslla or Boslla. See, there's their website, Boslla.com or Boslla.com, and they got all kinds of LED bulbs. So if you're interested, go ahead and check them out, and hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next time.